Are you and your baby daddy together? Me and my baby daddy.
I can't be fucked with, no. Ho, you can't touch this, ayy. Bitch, I do rich shit, huh? My money thick, thick, ayy. Walk with a limp.
Hey guys, welcome to my first YouTube video. Alright, let's get into it. As you know by the title, this will be about me. Yeah, let's get into it. What's my name? Well, if y'all don't know by now, well, of course y'all don't know since this is my first video, but my name is 𝙺𝙽𝙾. Obviously on here I go by Dae, Dae.T, but my real name is 𝙺𝙽𝙾. Yeah, we're not gonna get into my middle name or my last name because no. When's my birthday? July 23rd, feel me? July 23rd. You know what that means? Leo gang. Nah, but yeah. Leo over here. Feel me? It's Leo gang or no gang. Period. Period. Alright. Where you from? Where y'all think I'm from? Well, I was born in Jamaica. Born and raised Jamaica. But nah. When I was, I think like 9 years old, 8 years old. Yeah, I moved to Mount Vernon. Ain't the wave. Then I went to the Bronx, the boogie down. Feel me? That's why I jacked the boogie down Bronx. But now I resigned in CT. But that don't matter. But it's still boogie down all the way, forever. Period. Boogie down Bronx. Feel me? Alright. If you see me looking down, it's because I have some questions that people ask me, and also have some things I want to address for my first video. Cause why not? Why not? Feel me? My favorite animal. Me, animals, don't get along. Baby girl, baby boy, we don't do those. Cats, no. Dogs, no. Fish, that's me, baby. I'm terrified. Like, fun fact, anything with 4 legs, walks, crawl, none of that ain't for me. I'm terrified of those stuff. Terrified of animals, terrified of insects, terrified of everything. Okay, let's get into it. My age. How old I look? Tell me. How old I look? Nah. Yeah, I'm 23 years old. If y'all ain't know, I'm 23, baby. I'm grown out here. Got my own place, doing everything on my own. Got my own feel me? 23, grown. Oh, sidebar, yeah, I got a daughter too, feel me? She what, 2 months? Soon 3 months? Tears, but yeah. I'm 23. Am I left-handed or right-handed? Currently, I'm using my left hand. But fun fact, I'm right-handed. But I used to use both of my hands. But I was actually left-handed. Then my mom beat me to use my right hand. But now I use both of my hands. You feel me? Like, both of my hands. Like, I could use both. But I most likely, like, write with my right hand. I do most stuff with my left hand. So, I'm both-handed if you really want to get into it. Are you and your baby daddy together? Me and my baby daddy together? What's a baby daddy? First of all, I hate the word baby daddy. Just say baby father, boyfriend, something. But baby daddy, I feel like that word is so ghetto. But me and my baby father together? Duh. But anyways, my favorite food, if you know me, you know my favorite food is oxtail and white rice. If not, oxtail and mac and cheese. Like, let's get into it. Let's really talk about it. Oxtail is the way to go. My pet peeve, liars. What's my pet peeve? I hate liars. Cracked tooth. That shit irks my nerves. Phony people who actually act like they got it, but in reality they know they don't, and they be fronting. That shit blows my mind, but whatever. We're not even about to get into it. My favorite color is lime green, sky blue, and pink. Yeah, those 3 combo together, wavy. My room, like before I moved here, my room used to be lime green. Yeah, my shit was wavy. But okay. My favorite drink. If you don't know me, my favorite drink has to be, well, wine. TP. Niggas gonna be like, oh, that's some cheap wine. That's some cheap wine. No, but TP is the way to go. Like, you could never go wrong with a $20 bottle. Everything lit. Everything lit. But yeah, TP gotta be it. How many piercings and tattoos you got? Well, right now I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right now I got 8 piercings. My 2 on this ears, 2 on this ears, 2 on my nose, 2 on my belly button. But I used to have my hips pierced, my 2 belly buttons, 2 on my ears on both sides. I used to have my nipples. Yeah. I took it out, of course, when I was pregnant, but whatever. What else I had pierced? We're not even gonna go there. But yeah, those are my piercing. Tattoos. I have one right here. Wait, it's on this side. I got one right here. I got one on this arm, and I got one on my thigh. 3. I got 3 big tattoos, and I'm gonna get another one of my daughter and her foot. We gonna get into that later. But yeah. What made me want to make a YouTube video? Well, a YouTube channel. To be honest, I've been wanting to make a YouTube channel, but I was just like, what? No, because everybody do it. Just like with me doing hair, like I was just like, nah, I'm not gonna do it because at first, like I was like, I started it and I was like, fuck it. Oh, excuse my language. I was like, nah, screw it, because everybody do it. Like, well, I want to do what everybody do. But then again, I'm like, if I'm passionate for something, why not just go for it and do what I want to do? Like, screw everybody else. Everybody else is not me. They can't do it like how I do it. You feel me? Yeah. So that's really why I wanted to do it, because I've been wanting to do it for mad long, and I was just like, nah, I keep putting it off. I'm like, nah, I'm not gonna do it. Nobody gonna watch it. But who cares? At the end of the day, I'm doing this for fun. I'm doing this because I want to do it, and yeah, I'm gonna continue doing it. Period. I know y'all tired of me with the, but that's just me though. But what would I be doing on my channel? Well, to be honest, I'm gonna be doing hair. But my hair look crazy right now because like I had it curled at the end, but then I brushed it out earlier because I was just like, this ain't it at all, and I wanted to take off my hair and do my hair anyways. But yeah, I'm gonna be doing hair, probably makeup, but I could really do my own makeup. See my eyebrows? Yeah, but whatever, because I don't really do makeup like that. Well, in college I used to do my makeup every day. Now you barely see me put on a lash. I only put on lash and eyebrows for this video. But anyways, let's get into it. A fun fact. I'm in a sorority. If y'all don't know, BDE, Beta Delta Epsilon, Alpha Latina Sorority Incorporated. Yeah, I have a lot of sisters. I love them to death. You feel me? BDE all the way up, forever and ever. But yeah, another fun fact is, I'm very passionate about what I do. So if I put my mind to doing something, I'm gonna get it done. Period. Because that's just me. Feel me? You feel me? Yeah. What y'all want to know about me? Let me know. I'm listening. Tell me. Did I miss anything? Did I? Do I want to have another kid? If you like this video, like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.